Please like and subscribe for more. Charles Lucky Luciano rose from the gritty streets of New York City to become the mastermind behind the American Mafia's empire. His life was a tale of power, intrigue, and ruthlessness that left an indelible mark on the criminal underworld. Born Salvatore Lucania in 1897 in Sicily, Italy, he and his family emigrated to the United States in search of a better life. Settling in the Lower East Side of Manhattan, Luciano quickly learned the harsh realities of life in the slums. He turned to a life of crime, and by his early 20s, he was already a prominent figure in the New York underworld. Luciano's meteoric rise can be attributed to his shrewd intellect and vision. He saw an opportunity to organize the chaotic and disjointed criminal landscape of the time. In the 1920s, he began uniting various Italian-American gangs into a formidable syndicate, effectively creating the modern American Mafia. He instilled a strict code of conduct, established a hierarchical structure, and set up the commission to govern all Mafia affairs. Prohibition, the nationwide ban on alcohol, became the Mafia's golden age. Lucky Luciano, along with his close associates like Meyer Lansky, ensured that bootlegging, gambling, and prostitution became highly profitable ventures. Their empire extended far beyond New York, reaching into Chicago, Las Vegas, and even Hollywood. Luciano was a charismatic and cunning leader, but he was not without his share of enemies. He ruthlessly eliminated rivals and tightened his grip on the underworld. However, his reign would soon face a formidable challenge. In 1936, he was convicted on charges of running prostitution rings and was sentenced to 30 to 50 years in prison. Yet, even behind bars, Luciano remained a potent force. His influence reached into the corridors of power, with rumors of his cooperation with the U.S. government during World War II, providing intelligence on the New York waterfront to protect the city from potential sabotage. After serving a fraction of his sentence, Luciano was released in 1946 on the condition of deportation to Italy. This was a significant setback, as he had to relinquish control of the American Mafia. However, he continued to pull strings from afar, staying in touch with his associates. Lucky Luciano's final chapter was a mix of triumph and tragedy. He lived in exile in Italy, but never truly relinquished his ties to organized crime. His story came to a dramatic end in 1962 when he died of a heart attack in Naples, leaving behind a legacy that forever altered the landscape of organized crime in America. The story of Lucky Luciano is one of a criminal genius, the architect of the American Mafia, who manipulated power and wielded it with cunning and audacity. Luciano's life was a study in contrasts, a man who could be both charming and ruthless, a visionary who shaped the criminal world in his image, and a symbol of the darker woe of organized crime in 20th century America.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more.